Hello bear, I have need some apples. Okay. At first, dig the soil. Now planting apple trees. Fertilizing the trees. And give some water. Uh-oh, remove the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 bucks. Wow, red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red apples. Hey cat, this is your apples. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, tata. Hello dear, I have need some honey. Okay. At first, remove the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bees. 1, 2, 3. 3 honey board. Now processing the honey. 1, 2, 3. Now collect the honey in the jar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 honey jars. Hello rabbit, this is your honeys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, tata. Hello bear, I have need some sunflower seeds. Okay. At first, planting sunflower trees. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 6 trees. Give some water on these trees. Uh-oh, remove the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. Wow, sunlight on the sunflowers. Now collect the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sunflower seeds. Hello red, this is your sunflower seeds. Thank you. Bye bye.